No más un poquito, un chichín.
Un chichín de español. ¿Ah? Dame ese más barato, ese de 10 pesos, lo que
13.
es 13 pesos.
13, sí.
Qué bandidos son,
Ah, no
coño.
te digo.
Se creen que están en Cuba todavía. Ok, entonces ahora que meter las tarjetas.
Sí, sí,
Pues
sí.
ahora.
Sí, con esta, Panamá. ¿Tiene recibo?
Ok.
To complete your purchase, please insert hash or
Ok.
¿Recibo?
Ya.
you are now ready to enter the card.
Bueno, qué fácil
Entonces,
es. ¿Y a ti te pagan para estar parado aquí?
Imagínate.
Imagínate.
Qué buena vida, gracias mi hermano.
Un día.
He said, freaking. He said that guy's got to be a freaking Cuban if he's such a pain in the ass. Okay, now where do you go? I guess you keep going around this way.
I guess so.
I don't see a cone down there, but it's,
And then once we come out, we go.
Take the next right. Then your destination will be on the
okay. So
right.
you come in here. Okay. I feel another way around. I've never been here before. You can tell he knew I was a trip, right? Oye, te pagan para estar haciendo esto aquí. Oye, imagínate. Okay. Let's see what this bozo tells us.
You gotta put your car in neutral, I guess.
Pull in the mirrors.
And then put your the thing all the way up, David.
What thing?
His mirror, his
Okay,
glass
yeah.
there. You got it neutral?
I will.
Put your
Neutral. I spray with a little bit of water. Don't even have any soap on it, does it? Maybe I guess it has a little bit of soap. Oh boy, here we go,
Wow,
Dave.
David, this is a good one,
This
huh?
is a good one. Scary.
Yeah, it is scary. I don't really care for these.
It's gonna get dark. It's gonna get spooky, like the haunted
See,
house.
now this is what I don't like about Dr. Firehouse.
What's that?
You can't see out the front.
Oh, you can't see out the front? Now you can. Cool.
Wow, Top Edge Car Wash in Tampa. Waters
Top
Avenue.
notch, ain't it? What's it called? What's the name of this place?
Top Edge Car Wash.
Top Edge Car Wash. Wow.
Now I'm good. Now I can see where I'm going.
Now she can see something. Now the rinse thing there, so the spot free of the fans, the lights.
Nice.
Tire shine. Tire shine.
You done? Oh, you taping? I didn't know you were still taping.
Okay. Wow. Now we gotta do is put the mirrors. David, you already put your mirror back out? Well, he never put it in.
I thought you put it in.
I thought so. Exit this way. Well, don't look like it. Hey, David. David, did you put your mirror in? Why is it back out already? Or did it pull it back out? I guess it popped back out by itself. Okay. Well, that's cool. Right?
That's
Turn
like,
right,
as a
then
matter
turn
of fact,
right.
you know what? That's the same one.